Have you ever noticed that tiny reddish dot in the night sky? It's easy to overlook, but for centuries people have gazed up and wondered about its mysteries. That glowing speck is Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, and it's been capturing our imagination for generations. That's Mars, a world we once thought was just cold and empty, a frozen desert drifting through space. For a long time, scientists believed it was lifeless, with nothing but dust and rock stretching for miles. But NASA's latest discovery has everyone talking, a Martian rock that looks strikingly like coral from Earth's oceans. This strange formation stands out among the barren landscape, raising new questions about what really happened on Mars long ago. This isn't just a weird rock, it's a clue that could rewrite what we know about Mars. Scientists are buzzing with excitement, analyzing every detail and debating what this coral-like structure could mean for the planet's history. Billions of years ago, Mars had rivers, lakes, maybe even an ocean. Imagine a planet with flowing water, carving valleys and filling craters, shaping a world that was once much more like Earth than we ever realized. It was warmer, wetter, and possibly alive. The climate was mild enough to support water on the surface, and where there's water, there's always the possibility for life to emerge. The rover that found this coral-like structure is our robotic explorer, equipped with cameras and drills, searching for signs of ancient life. Every sample it collects brings us closer to understanding Mars's hidden past. Finding something like coral on Mars is like finding a seashell in a desert. It hints that water, and maybe life, once thrived there. It's a discovery that challenges everything we thought we knew about the red planet. This discovery opens up a universe of possibilities and makes us wonder, were we ever truly alone in our solar system? The secrets of Mars are only beginning to unfold, and the next chapter could change our place in the cosmos forever. Our fascination with Mars began centuries ago when early astronomers first peered through their telescopes and caught mysterious glimpses of the red planet shimmering in the night sky. These early observations sparked endless curiosity and speculation about what might exist on our planetary neighbor. In the 19th century, wild ideas took hold. Some believed they saw vast Martian canals, perhaps built by intelligent beings. These imaginative theories fueled stories of alien civilizations and inspired generations of scientists and dreamers alike. But real answers only began to emerge in the 20th century, when we sent robotic explorers, flybys, orbiters, landers, and rovers, to study Mars up close, transforming speculation into science. These missions revealed a world of towering volcanoes, vast canyons, and most importantly, compelling evidence that water once flowed across the Martian surface, shaping its landscape over eons. Rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance were sent to follow the water, searching for signs that Mars might once have supported life, and to unravel the planet's ancient mysteries. They found dried riverbeds, water-formed minerals, and even complex organic molecules, the essential building blocks of life as we know it, hinting at a potentially habitable past. The big question shifted. If Mars once had water, could it also have harbored life? Scientists around the world began to focus on this tantalizing possibility. For years, our rovers have searched for biosignatures, fossils, chemicals, or microscopic patterns that only living organisms could create, hoping to find direct evidence of life. Now, with the discovery of this coral-like structure, we may be closer than ever to answering the age-old question: are we alone in the universe, or do we have Martian neighbors waiting to be found? So what did the rover actually find on the Martian surface during its latest exploration? A rock with a branching flower-like pattern, eerily similar to coral reefs on Earth, sparking immediate curiosity among scientists. On Earth, coral is built by tiny animals, called polyps, which leave behind intricate, beautiful skeletons over time. The Martian rock shares this organized, porous structure, making the resemblance even more striking. Most rocks form from wind, water, or volcanoes, but they rarely look so deliberately constructed or patterned. Is this a fossilized remnant of life, or just a strange mineral pattern created by Martian chemistry? Some scientists believe it's evidence of ancient life, organisms that built mineral structures in Mars' lost waters long ago. Others argue it could be a natural process, like minerals crystallizing in branching shapes without any biological influence. The shape is compelling and mysterious, but it's not yet definitive proof of life on Mars. The debate is on: life or geology? The answer could change how we see Mars forever. The discovery has split scientists. Some see a biosignature, a tantalizing hint that life may have once existed beyond Earth. Others, however, see only a geological oddity, an unusual rock formation shaped by the forces of Mars itself, not by biology. Astrobiologists argue the structure is too complex, too organized to be the result of random processes. They see patterns that echo the earliest forms of life on Earth. But geologists point to bizarre mineral formations here on Earth, chemical gardens and mineral shapes that can mimic life, blurring the line between biology and geology. To truly solve the mystery, we need to bring a piece of that Martian rock back to Earth, where our most advanced instruments can analyze it in detail. This is the goal of a bold mission NASA is already planning, a mission that could redefine our understanding of life in the universe. The Perseverance rover has carefully stored precious samples, each one a potential key to Mars's ancient secrets. Now, those samples wait on the Martian surface, sealed and ready for a future spacecraft to collect and return them home. Once here, scientists in Earth's laboratories will use cutting-edge technology to search for chemical fingerprints, microfossils, or other signs that could finally answer the age-old question: did life ever exist on Mars, or are we truly alone? Whether the answer is a fossilized microbe or just a strange, beautiful rock, each discovery brings us closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. Every step forward, every new clue is a leap for science and for humanity's quest to know if we are alone. So next time you spot Mars glowing in the night sky, remember, we're not just gazing at a distant planet, we're searching for neighbors, for a connection to something greater. And the answer to that search might be closer than we ever imagined.